So on TranZact, once you go ahead and add any item, you define its unit of measurement. Now, if you wish to go ahead and change that base unit of measurement, you will not find an option of that. Let me tell you why. Because in TranZact, whenever you add an item, obviously it might be possible that you have created few of the documents around it, and then after just removing or replacing the base unit of measurement is not possible. So for that, we have provided an additional feature, that is alternate unit of measurement. Let me show you how it works and how it will be helpful to you. Let's go to our inventory module for that. In your inventory module, please have a look. This is the very first item which I will go ahead and open. So currently its unit of measurement is kg. Click on this. Now once you will click on this, it will open a new window along with the item. So in this item, please have a look. I will see an option of edit. Once I will click on edit, as I mentioned that you may not be able to go ahead and change the base unit of measurement of any item. So what you can do, on your right hand side, you can see there is an option of alternate unit of measurement. So alternate unit of measurement is basically an additional unit of measurement which you define on TranZact, so that whenever you are creating any document or whenever it is getting used in production, you can be able to go ahead and fetch that which unit of measurement you require. So let me quickly go ahead and click on this alternate UOM. Now here in alternate UOM, you need to go ahead and click on this add unit. Once you will click on add unit, from the drop down, please select an additional unit which you wish to add. So currently it's in kg. Now I wish to go ahead and keep them in numbers. So I will select numbers. Now conversion factor is the most important thing. You need to go ahead and put the conversion factor. Like in one numbers, how many kg will be the entire measurement. So for one numbers, currently I am putting 5 kg. You can also go ahead and add multiple additional unit of measurement and provide its conversion to them. Now I will go ahead and click on save. Once I will click on save, this particular additional unit of measurement will get saved in my item. And on your right hand side, you will see an option of base unit conversions. So this is how you can go ahead and add an additional unit of measurement. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.